Tuesday morning, just got back from the gym. We're getting started for the day. The guys are going to finish the AC install at the project flip house. We're going to start this morning by finishing up some of the wiring. So Caden just stretched this out to the back and cut it off to length so that we can make up this circuit later. I'm going to wait till the end of the day to crawl underneath here and staple up this wire. That way I'm not dirty and covered in mud all day. But we're just going to staple it to the underside of this building from the front all the way to the back, and then bring it up to where this panel's at. And I'll also have this 6'2" with ground wire down here, and I'm going to do the same thing too. That is for the water heater. And on the inside, we're going to run all of our lighting circuits up here, our lighting circuits in here. And we got to pull this panel of plywood off so that we can run our vent light circuit up there. And we're going to go run and grab some more plywood and cap in all of these ceiling areas. Now we're just going to take So the issue we're having is this bit is not much deeper than the thing that it's going into, so it's having a hard time holding the center. So it is possible that maybe this bit can just come out a little bit. Oh yeah, it's a long bit. Well, there's one hole. Yeah. Side worked out perfect, huh? This is coming out nice too. It's nice and flush with the bottom. That's beautiful. This first sheet went in really good. As you can see, it's pretty flush across here, which is what we were going for. This area, we're gonna put a sheet right across the top, and it's gonna screw to the bottoms of these rafters. So it's actually gonna have a little lip. And then over here, I'm gonna cut some 2x4s and set them in here a 1/2 inch up. So we'll have a couple of rails for this spot and for this spot, and then we'll put the plywood in. Here, and we're going to mark all of this at a 1/2 inch. That way when we put our 2x4 up here, we'll make sure it's a 1/2 inch up, and that'll be our dead wood. And when we put our plywood in, it should be flush right at the bottom. That panel needs to get deleted. You already took that one out. That needs to get deleted, and then this needs to disappear as well. realized that we had missed a couple of circuits. So the lighting for this main area, we just ran this wire in the wall to this switch, but we had to take this panel off to get to it. So he's putting that back together. And then we also had this circuit right here that goes to the switch in the bathroom for the vent light. We ended up taking this panel off earlier and running that. So we're just double checking and make sure that we're not missing any other circuits before we move on. So now we're gonna run this last circuit for the lobby lighting. What's up, Joe? How'd the project house go?
Good. We got it wrapped up.
Nice.
Yeah.
These lights will have. Show up on the paint. Well, we're about to find out how easy this is gonna be. As soon as you get an angle on it, it kind of catches. Yeah. It is what it is. It makes a nice circle. All right, you ready? Alright, so we got wire for all of our lights. Now he is cutting some wood outside. And that wood is going to go in here. And we're going to have two recessed cans there. It's going to attach to this wood that we put in earlier. And we've got another piece that's going to go in right here. So it was much harder to drill the holes into the ceiling than it was to drill it into the plywood while it was still on the sawhorses. So for these next couple, I'm going to pre-measure them and cut them while they're still on the sawhorses as well. Generally, you'd be doing this with sheetrock, and sheetrock, you might as well just do it in the ceiling because you could put all your sheetrock up, tape float everything, come back later, mark your spots, cut it, no problem. It's real easy. But this plywood, it's pretty tough, especially when you're drilling such a large hole in it. Yeah, that was a lot easier than doing it in the ceiling. I'm getting better at it. I'll be so happy if this works first try. Real close. Some little modifications, you know, nothing major. we can make these modifications in here real quick.
Yeah.
Anytime you go for a tight fit, man, it's always like, it's gotta be exact.